Coach, the perfect start to the second round of competition. The first one was totally forgettable for Molynes United. To start with 3 points, it says that homework was done and the work was executed on the field of play today.
They have been working really hard in training, really hard. They are really committed, and I want to commend them for that. It is very imperative that when at the beginning of any round, any competition, you get 3 points, and today we got 3. So the onus is now on us to see how do we move forward. What happens next? So it comes down to management of players, looking at injuries and keeping them motivated.
Based on where you start the second round, what are your realistic expectations for this season?
For me, it's game by game. It's game by game. We still have some time to go. We have some very tough games coming up. So it's about game management. It's about managing each game as they come.